Have exactly 4 days to finish to say I'm panicked is an understatement. So taking much longer than expected. Girl. Hello, hi, welcome. I'm Anna, and I have 4 days to finish a very beautiful oak custom. I've just been so busy and it's like right at the deadline, so I'm gonna try to record everything on it.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
So that you guys can follow along. Not necessarily how to, because I'm still learning, but I think it's gonna be a really beautiful table, so I'm really gonna try to document it all. And I'm not a YouTuber, so this is all new to me. But thanks for watching, if you're still watching at this point. I hope you stick around and see the end and see how beautiful it is, but yeah. Okay, so update. Just opened the box where my legs came from, and there's only 3 in there. Like, to say I'm panicked is an understatement. Okay, so taking much longer than expected, but finally got my boards planed. They were actually pretty good. I just had to get a little bit off. Here's all the leftovers. Got my supports cut. Got 3 of the legs here. Still waiting on that 4th leg. But yeah, just chugging along. Okay, so good news. The 4th leg is coming today. Not sure what is going on with that, but it is gonna be here in an hour. So thank God. All right, so it's end of day 2 and I've got the top gluing up overnight. Didn't get much done today. Going to rework the legs. The client wants the tops to show on top of the tabletop. So going to tackle that tomorrow and see what we can do with that. All right, so it's the end of my table build. Literally the day before, or the night before, the customer's picking up at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and it's 11, so we did it. She's beautiful. She's massive. So you pretty much didn't see any of the build because I was running around like crazy trying to get this thing done in time, and there we go. Get the sawdust off of it. So next up is the sealer, and then she is done and I am going to bed. Selfie together. Just need to put on some sealer And this bad boy is done. Might be my favorite table. Guys, this is hands down the coolest table that I've made. Ta-da! It is so beautiful. Okay, it looks really yellow in this lighting. Hold on, one sec.